When looking at variables, so far we've only looked at the single assignment operator. But what if we want to change a variable dynamically by a value? We can reassign a variable to be any value we want. But let's take a look at how we can change the variable in a couple different ways. Let's say we have variable a, and that's set to 10. And let's say I want to add 5 to a. One way I can do this is by doing a is equal to a plus 5. This is essentially taking the value of 10 plus 5, reassigning it to the variable a. Here we can see that now a is 15. Another way we can do this, which is more of a shorthand and means the same thing, is if we wanted to add 5 again to this value, we could do a plus equals 5. The plus equals syntax works for strings as well, and just basically represents the variable equals the variable plus the secondary part of the equation. And here we get 20 out. For numbers, there's one more thing we can do. If what we want to do is add 1 to any number, we can use an even shorter hand syntax. This is called the postfix increment. It will print out 20, but a now has a value of 21. This is basically the same as doing a equals a plus 1 or a plus equals 1. You'll also see it as a prefix operator, in which case the plus plus comes before the value. In this case, it will run the plus plus before it returns. And we can see that it automatically increments to 22. We'll mostly be using the postfix operator because we don't need the return value right away. Note that this only works with numbers, because this is the same as saying a plus equals 1.